In this video, we are going to take a look at creating our project, working with basic materials and creating masks. So let's get started by creating our project in Substance 3D Painter. I will go to File, New. Make sure that the template is selected to PBR Metallic Roughness. For File, we need to hit Select button and choose the 3D model. Next, we need to set document resolution. We can change it later if we want. Leave everything else to default and click OK. Substance Painter is loading our file, and here we go. We have our project loaded in Viewport, and as you can see, we have all the materials under texture set list. First, we are going to work with ground, so I am selecting it from our list. We need to delete its previous layer and create a new fill layer by clicking this icon here. Now we need to change its name. The only attributes we need for this layer are base color and roughness. Now we need to change its color. So this is going to be our base color. Now we need to duplicate this layer by right clicking and selecting duplicate. This is going to be our first variation layer. We need to change its color. We are going to apply black mask on this variation layer that we just created now. Now we need to add fill property on this layer by right clicking and selecting add fill. With this fill property selected, we need to choose what kind of fill we are going to use, and we can select that by clicking this grayscale icon here, and we will be using Cloud 3. Now we need to change few values of fill that we just used under fill property menu to make it more visible. I am going to adjust color of layers. Now we need to add one more layer, which is going to be our emissive layer. We need to add black mask on this emissive layer. The only attribute we need for this layer is emissive attribute. We need to choose its color. Now I am going to use brush to paint UVs of this model. But first we need to change our brush alignment to UV mode. Now we are going to work on handle. So we need to delete its previous layer and search for gold material. This is what we will be using for its texture. For blade, we need to do the same thing and search for silver. We need to adjust its roughness . For crystal, I am adding new fill layer . And I am only enabling color and emissive attributes. Now we have to give it a nice base and emissive color. As for the last part, which is handle, I am simply going to search for wood texture. In the end, I am going to paint UVs of ground by using emissive layer. So guys, this is our final project. We can still make changes as much as we like. With this we conclude today's tutorial and I hope it was useful. Thanks for watching.